Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to use Slide Master in PowerPoint to create polished and consistent presentations. First things first, let's learn how to access Slide Master. It's your secret tool to control the design of your entire presentation. Now go to the View tab at the top and click on Slide Master in the ribbon. So View tab and then click Slide Master in the ribbon. Now you'll see the Slide Master view. This is where you can make changes that apply to all your slides. Want a consistent font style, size, or color? You can set it here. So to customize individual slides, just click on the one you want to tweak. For example, this one. So change the background, add a logo, or adjust placeholders as needed. These changes will only affect the selected slide layout. For example, this one. Background styles. Here, see? It's the only slide that is affected with the changes you've made. So need elements like a company logo, date, or footer on every slide? Head to the Insert tab, add them here in Slide Master, and they'll appear on your slides. So Insert and then Header and Footer. That's where you'll add the header and footer logo of your company. And that's it. You now know how to use Slide Master in PowerPoint, a game changer for crafting professional presentations effortlessly. So before we wrap up, here's a piece of advice. Simplicity is key, so don't overcomplicate your designs. Stick to clean and consistent layouts to make your message shine through. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Slide Master in PowerPoint. See you on my next video.